Hello guys, today I'm going to review about a product which I purchased from Flipkart. I think you already have seen about the unboxing of this product from the Flipkart, but today I'm going to review about this product. It's an airsoft gun. The name of the product is Savaging Bull. Savaging Bull, you can see here it's written Savaging Bull bullet gun. It's the description of the product which I got from Flipkart. The price of each gun is just about 75 rupees, 75 rupees only. So I got two of these guns. You can see that. Two of these guns I got it for just 150 rupees. It's actually a revolver type of gun, but no, it is not a revolver. I mean, it just looks like a revolver, but it doesn't work like a revolver. The hammer doesn't work. The cylinder doesn't pop out. I mean, the cylinder doesn't come out. It doesn't swirl out or something like that. Okay, so it's a different kind of gun which I recently got it from Flipkart. Well, there was no description from Flipkart, and I tried to put a review with the Flipkart, but they actually deleted my review. I don't know why. But I think this kind of gun is a pretty old, cheap kind of gun, which I think I purchased it about some 15 years ago when I was a kid. I think I still have some of the remnants of that. This is the kind of gun I got from 15 years ago. It's broken, the hand part, I mean the handle part is broken, but this is the kind of gun which I got 15 years ago. It only had, I mean, you can load the BBs right on top here. You can push it, there was some kind of jack here, and you had to push it back, load the BBs, and just start shooting. That's it. Okay, it has a very worst kind of FPS, no FPS you can say. It just travels about 2 feet or 3 feet, that's it. So it's a very cheap gun which I got. It just looks like a double legal Luther, I think. I'm not sure about that gun. The James Bond gun, I think you can say. Yeah, so that kind of gun is this. So actually I was expecting some kind of a revolver, a real working kind of revolver, like the cylinder come out. The cylinder pops out, or the cylinder actually spills out, and you can load the BBs right back in and put it back and fire. So I was expecting that kind of gun, because in the photo, in the product description, it was looking like that. But when I purchased it, I realized it's a completely different kind of gun. But okay, not bad. I mean, the quality of the gun is not so good. It is actually a cheap plastic again. For 75 rupees, what can you expect? So yeah, that's a cheap plastic, but yeah, I mean, its FPS is good. It is a pretty strong gun. So that is all about this gun, guys. And okay, let me show you how it works. Okay, so this is the part you can see right on top, right above the cylinder. This is the part you have to open it like this. Just push it back in. Yeah, it opens right there. There's a hole. Okay, and there you have to load your BBs. You can see that. That's a BB here. Okay, and you have to load the way. Just take the BB. I already loaded a lot of BBs in. Just put it back in. Close this thing up. Okay, so this is the first step. The second step is there's a lever right under the barrel. Just push it down until you hear a click. Just take it out. Tilt it. Yeah, you hear a click. Push it right back into place, and you fire. Okay, so I mean, it is a pretty strong gun, so I guess it does a lot of damage. I'm sorry about that. It does a lot of damage, I guess. You see? Yeah, there you see. See? Does the damage it does. Pretty strong FPS, I guess. So yeah, it works great. Okay, so that is all about the gun, guys, but you have to load it every time, just like in usual spring gun. Both the guns are the same kind. Okay, you can fill up to 15 BBs into this chamber. You can fill up 15 BBs in, and you can fire every time. You have to load up, and just fire every time. So yeah, it's a good gun, guys, but pretty cheap quality. Broken. Already see, you can see these things pop out. They're coming out, I think. So I think I received in a very worst manner from Flipkart. The packaging was not that great. Just in a normal cover as you get from shops. It was just packed, rolled in, and they gave it to me. It took about 7 days for me to receive this product. So yeah, the packaging and the shipment part was not so great, but at least the guns are working, so that's all I need. Okay, so for 75 rupees, for 150 rupees, the price, yeah, it's pretty nice and decent gun. So let me show you guys about the field test. I mean, how good the gun is. So let me show you guys how it works here. Just I gotta reload this again, and let me shoot a bottle. Yeah, it's loaded. So let's go, guys. There you see, that's a bottle right there. Yeah, that's the Bisleri bottle right there. So I'm going to shoot this bottle from about, say, 5 to 6 meters away. Oh, let me aim it. There it is. I think it's not that strong. Hold up. Reloading it. I'll let me fire again. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Again, reload it and fire it. See that? Let me have a close-up shot about how much damage it does. There you can see the bottle right there. Okay, let me reload the gun. Let me go a little closer. Yeah, that's the closer kind. And let me shoot the thing. So that's the damage it does, guys. It hits pretty good, not so bad, but even though, I mean, for this kind of gun, I think it is pretty good. Yeah, you can see that it's shaking. So that's the strength of this gun, guys. The FPS is pretty good, decent. I mean, not so great like you can see with the normal guns, but yes, that's the FPS with this gun actually. The plastic is again not so great. You cannot expect the grade from this gun, but again, yes, it's a good gun, guys. Nice quality. I mean, it will last for probably 10 or 15 days, or even 1 month if you can use it pretty decently. Some of the notes I want to say is like, if you want to use this gun for more days, probably 2 months or 3 months, what I'm supposed to say is, whenever you're using this gun, just only when you're firing it, load it right before you fire and then shoot immediately, okay? I mean, load the gun and keep it under, and not using it after loading it. What happens is like it causes some kind of pressure inside the plastics and it'll break up the gun eventually. So, I mean, to avoid the damages right inside the gun, I think this is the best procedure to actually load up the gun right before you shoot. I mean, when you're going to fire it, load right before it and then fire the gun. So that's the procedure and how you actually can retain this gun for a pretty longer time. So that's all about the gun, guys. The Savaging Bull bullet gun. You can find it at Flipkart for just 150 rupees. A nice airsoft, but the product description is not so great. Yes, it looks like a revolver, but it's not a revolver. So that's all for the review, guys. Have any questions, you can ask me. Do like my videos. If you have any comments, please put them on. Thank you, guys. I'll get back with another review soon. Have a nice day. Aloha.